Hello friends, this is a crochet heart pattern for the Valentine's Day. This is very simple heart pattern. In this pattern I am using this type of cotton thread and one 4 mm crochet hook. Let us start. First make 5 chain. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and join it with slip stitch and form a small ring. And then one chain, count as a first single crochet and make 11 more single crochet into this in this ring. And one more 12. Here you join it in the first stitch, beginning stitch, and here you make one slip stitch. This is the second round. And make 1, 2, 3 chain, count as a first double crochet and make, here you make clusters. Then 1, 2 chain and go to the next stitch and make 2 clusters. Then 2 chain and then go to the next stitch you make total 12 cluster stitch in this round. You repeat it. Then here you join it with slip stitch. The flower is ready, and then this is the center of your circle. Here you go to the next space between the two clusters, make 1 single crochet and then make 2 half double crochet into the same stitch, and then go to the next space between two clusters. Here I am making treble crochet. Make 4 treble crochet in the same stitch, same space, sorry. Then one chain and go to the next space between two clusters, and here I am making 2 double crochet. Then one chain, go to the next space. Here I am making 2 half double crochet. Then one chain, go to the next, make 2 half double crochet, and then one chain, go to the next, make 1 and then 2 double crochet. Here one single crochet, then 4 double crochet, 2 half, 2 double crochet, then 2 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and then one chain, and here I am making 2 double crochet, one chain, and then go to the next space. Here I am making 2 half double crochet, one chain, then 2 half double crochet in the next space, then one chain, and here I am making 2 double crochet, then one chain, and this is the, here I am making same 4 double crochet. One chain, and then this is the last. Here I am making 1, 2, total 2 half double crochet, and then here I am joining it with single crochet or slip stitch. here you make 2 half double crochet, and then this is the center portion. Here I am making 1 single crochet, total 2, and then here you make 1 slip stitch and start from here. You make 2 3 chain and go to the, you skip the very first stitch, go to the second stitch and make 1 single crochet. You make 1 2 3 chain, skip the next one, go to the second and make 1 single crochet. You repeat same pattern in this round. I have completed the 4th row, and this is the last row I am making. You make 2 single crochet in the every loop, every space. Two single crochet in the every loop. I am making the last row of the heart. This is the last here, and here you join. This is the center of the heart. Here you make 1 slip knot and cut your extra yarn. You can make here, you can make the one loop for ornament, heart ornament, and this is the very simple and easy project of heart pattern. And please like my pattern and subscribe my channel. Thank you.